I want to show you our CNC machine for your look. Okay, let's go. Okay, look here. This is our heavy-duty CNC machine structure. The machine size is 2 meters to 3 meters. And look at the spindle. This is air cooling ATC spindle. The spindle power is 9 kilowatt. And this is the best choice for all the woodworking machinery, woodworking work. Okay, let's go. 亮哥，快走，走到那个机器那儿，快呀！ Okay, come here. Now we look at our standard wood CNC router. This is our standard size. The working size is 1.3 meter to 2.5 meters. And this machine with the vacuum system. The vacuum table with the 5.5 kilowatt vacuum pump. So it's good for all the wood board to fix. And also if you have other smaller pieces for working, and also we have the clamps to fix it. So this machine is not only for the working, also for the advertising such as acrylic and copper, plastic like this. Both working. Okay, look at the spindle. This spindle is the air cooling spindle, and the spindle power is from 3 kilowatt to 9 kilowatt. All the customer can choose the spindle power according to the material thickness. And also this transmission can make sure the machine running very fast and stronger. Also look at this. And all the machine gantry we install the emergency switch. So during the working, if any accident and we put the switch, the machine will stop. So it can make sure the worker and the machine is safe. Let's go. 在这就可以了。对。Okay, this is the machine controller. The controller name is DSP controller, and it's the smart controller. It's convenient for the worker to cooperation and to running the machine. Also, if you prefer the computer controller, we also have the NC Studio for your choice. Let's have a look at the control box. Yeah, it's very clear. Sure. Okay. Just now I show you the size is 1.3 meter by 2.5 meter. Maybe customers think the size is too small. So we have the bigger size for you. This machine size is 2 meter by 3 meters. Also we have the bigger size 2 meter by 4 meter or by 6 meters. So all the customer according to your need to choose the machine size. Okay. Now our CNC machine production is about 200 sizes per month. So if you have the order, and we can deliver it as soon as possible. And also just now I send you is the CNC woodworking machine. Also we have marble CNC router, glass CNC router, and 4-axis rotary CNC router, and auto changer CNC wood routers. As a manufacturer of more than 20 years, we welcome all the friends from all over the world to cooperation with us, and also welcome to be our agent or distributor. Also, if you have your requirement, we also welcome the OEM orders. And okay, that is my introduction to today. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.